Please keep in mind this video is to accompany the printed user's manual and is not a substitute. Pay careful attention to the warnings and safety instructions included in the manual, and be sure to visit your local pool retailer for information on treating the water in your pool. The most important part of setting up your pool is to ensure your selected location is level and capable of supporting the pool the entire time it is set up. Be sure to clear the area of any sharp objects or debris. We suggest to remove the grass within the circle. Assemble the bottom rails with the rail covers, inserting the rails onto the rail covers to join them, leaving about 0.5 to 1.5 centimeters between the ends of the rails inside the rail cover. Continue until the full circle of rail is complete. Note: always wear protective gloves when handling the metal wall. Take the pool wall and position it in the center of the circle of assembled rails. Now insert the wall into the bottom rails. Continue around the pool. Connect the ends of the wall together. Line up the screw holes and place the bolts through the inside of the pool. Note: the nut should be on the outside of the wall. Tighten the hardware. Use the provided tape to cover the bolts inside the pool to protect the pool liner. Put the liner at the center of the pool site, inside the pool wall. Next, spread out the pool liner. Extend it evenly until the seam line reaches the base of the pool. Drape the pool liner over the pool wall along the dashed line. The dashed line should be aligned to the top of the steel wall. There should be an overlap of 8 centimeters of the pool wall height. Secure the liner with the supplied clips. It may be necessary to stretch the liner slightly to achieve the required overlap on the pool wall. This is normal and will ensure a good fit. Fill the pool with 1 or 2 centimeters of water. Enter the pool to smooth out the liner. Work from the center outwards. To assemble the top rails, slide the connectors into one end of a top rail, and after passing it through the rail cover, connect it to another top rail. Maintain a gap of 0.5 to 1.5 centimeters between the rails. Warning: do not overlap or bunch the liner when attaching the top rails. The liner should have no creases. Continue around the pool until all top rails are joined. When assembling is finished, and before you start to attach the connection valves to the pool, fill the pool, leaving 5 to 6 centimeters of space between the position of the connection valve and the water surface. This is important because the liner has to be properly taut from the pressure of the water. Next, mount the connection valves onto the pool wall. Detach the pool outlet strainer and gently press its base against the pool liner at the connecting valve port. Carefully cut a circle in the liner to accommodate the outlet using a sharp knife. Push the outlet strainer through the hole and screw the connection valve to the pool wall. Repeat this process for the other outlet and the inlet connecting valve. Once this is complete, it's time to attach the hoses to the pool outlets. Loosen the hose clamp and slip the hose over the end of the pool outlet, then tighten. Repeat this for the other outlet, and then connect both hoses to the T connector. Ensure all connections are secure. Next, attach the inlet hose to the filter pump. And in turn to the pool inlet. Now, continue to fill the pool. The pool is full when the water reaches about 5 centimeters from the top of the pool wall. Simply connect your filter pump to both power and water, and your pool is now complete. Position the pool so that the outlet and inlet holes are on the same side of the circle as the location where you intend to position the pool filter. The filter must have easy access to both a water source and safe electrical supply. Carefully, make sure your water filter can be plugged directly into a power port. Warning: do not plug your filter into an extension cord. This is a fire hazard that can lead to property damage. Ensure the ladder is set up and ready to use. You will need the ladder to set up the pool.